Nice. Keep some tension on it. It's a big one.
Cachuma.
Yeah. Nice. Let some line out. Oh yeah, he got it all the way down there. Yeah.
Start this morning. There we go. Nice little guy.
Bang.
7 a.m. Got one? There you go. Fish.
Boom. Let's go.
Nice. That's a little bigger than mine, guy. Hey, nice fish.
Sing recording?
No, it is. Nice
Huh?
job, Mike.
No, is it red?
Yeah, it's red now.
Nice, fish number 2. That was a cool little bite.
Hmm?
Cool little bite.
There's one.
Another one?
He's too big.
Horse him. Got him?
Big.
Boom. Morning bite's on. The morning bite is on. He's tiny, but
He's a tiny guy. But he's eating.
he's a fish.
He's eating, baby. He's eating. Nice little guy.
Recording, right?
Yep.
Cool. Number 3.
Yeah. Yeah, flashing. Yep.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice fish.
Nice fish. Spinnerbait.
Sweet. Nice little flipping fish. Lake Cachuma. Number 5. Yeah, like we had 6.
Already?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, good start. All in the same spot.
Sorry I took you guys off a hot bite.
Oh no, it's okay. We caught 3 there this morning and then we went back and just caught 2 more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It was, oh yeah, it's a nice fish. Dude, that's a nice fish.
There we go.
Woo!
There we go.
I told you I got bit.
Told you they're small.
Oh dude, that's like a nice smallmouth for this area of California.
That's nice.
That's a great smallmouth. Drop shot? Is that what you said?
Drop shot.
Yeah. Dude, that's picture worthy
Yeah,
too.
let's do it.
Awesome.
Woo!
You gotta do a woo!
Woo!
805 angling bros,
He
baby.
swallowed my worm though.
It's okay.
He can
You
have
got a giant smallmouth for
Yeah.
Lake Cachuma.
Heck yeah, baby.
Took Case bass fishing.
Yep. My first fish of 2020. Sending him home. Go on, bud.
Later. Yeah. Yeah, Dad.
There he is.
Little guy. Hey, we landed one.
Bounce. Didn't break him off. You got that on me for sure.
In case you want to give everybody an update.
Yeah, little update. Big Dave
There's a little guy.
with a little bass there. The key to that one, Big Dave, not
He is just drag it on the bottom, baby. Drag it on the bottom.
dragging on the bottom.
Little watermelon candy here.
Don't break him off.
And don't spit the hook. Don't let him spit the hook, Case.
There we go.
Yeah.
Let's get some more.
Overall, we picked Case up. Fishing got a little slow, so we switched to the worm action. You saw him land that smallmouth. Had 2 other nice fish on, and we're just gonna keep this going. Boom.
Yeah, that was fun.
Spinnerbait fish for Case. I think he caught the same fish I caught earlier.
Landed it.
And
Yes.
landed it. So when Case has his big fish on, he lets him just jump off because he feels bad, and then he just sets the hook on the little
Exactly
ones.
what we do. You hit it. You hit it.
What's up, guys? 805 Angling Brothers back together. Had a nice day here at Cachuma Lake. It was beautiful out. Got on some bass. Case?
Yeah, my first trip of 2020. Nice to get back on the water. Had a really fun day with Mike and Big Dave. Caught a few fish. Had a great day and some sunshine.
Exactly, and that's all you can ask for. So thanks to everybody that's been watching our videos. Gonna be posting a lot more this year. Case will be around a little bit more, and we just found out we're going to Mexico in June, so there's that coming up too.
Stay tuned.
All right, later.